what is still hard is to build software that works easy, works for the user, not against the user, is not cluttered. And it's so easy to just put a lot of junk in your software today that shouldn't be there. And we really want to have a limited of things, we want to really have a user flow that everybody gets into it and they kind of just intuitively understand what they should do and how the whole flow works. And it should be very, very close to the jobs that our users want to get done. And we are thinking from that standpoint out. Like, you're coming to Postal because you want to create content. So let's break this down as much as possible and put it into software that works with you, right? I think that's something where we stand out also is just, we are focusing on that. Everybody can just quickly vibe code some bullshit and that kind of works, but it doesn't feel good. And we are really focused on best case. We are cutting things out. We are reducing the steps. We are deleting things actually and removing more and more. So it's just the essentials that really work fantastically. That's the main goal. So, like, simplification will be the antidote to junk software that is cluttered. And that's why I say, like, I really like and I can recommend listening to the podcast, like Lenny's newsletter overall and Lenny's podcast on YouTube. He has like world-class product managers from Stripe, Duolingo, like everywhere. Every big unicorn company or whatever, or like startups that really, really changed the world. Kind of, he's speaking to the
Like
PMs,
everyone.
like the product. Yeah, and it's really very interesting to listen to those people because there are many actionable takeaways and stuff that shaped us personally a lot, like
I'm
how we
gonna
work and
I'm gonna
how
start
we
deep
are.
diving. I have to start deep
Yeah,
diving now. That's crazy. All right. I will
yeah,
be sure to check out Lenny then. I love what you
yeah.
said
Dude,
though. I love what you said. Less is more. Less is more.
yes. Like, just focus on the. Okay, just a quick tandem here. The other day, I was staying up way too late and should have
Typical
gone to bed.
Joshua.
Should have gone to bed by
Yeah.
12 a.m., but I spent 3 hours in Postal just basically acting as if I'm a random person from X, signing up for Postal with the goal to create as much content as possible in the shortest time. And I did that for 3 hours straight, over and over again, different flows, different sources. And I broke down every small step, the seconds it needed me to get that step done, and how easy it was to use that feature. I could just see where we lacked things and where stuff was still way too complicated. And those things really translate into building stuff, I would say, that over time just wins. Because people will say, hey man, why aren't you using ChatGPT? Like, ChatGPT can do the same stuff as Pasta, right? And people will be like, damn, what the fuck are you even talking about?
Yeah.
Like,
Like,
I could live with Pasta. I think you get to that point that people say stuff like that if you're super focused on the user experience and just cutting out everything else that isn't supposed to be there and nailing it. Like UX, UI, super has to be super clean.